Welcome to Mabamba Swamp, one of Uganda's most renowned birdwatching destinations. Located on the northern shores of Lake Victoria, near Entebbe, Mabamba Swamp is an internationally recognized wetland and a Ramsar site. It is home to over 300 bird species, making it a paradise for bird lovers, photographers, and nature enthusiasts from around the world. The biggest attraction here is the incredible Shoebill Stork. This rare prehistoric-looking bird is one of the most sought-after species in Africa, and Mabamba is one of the best places in the world to observe it in its natural habitat. Besides the shoebill, you may also spot African jacanas, malachite kingfishers, pied kingfishers, African fish eagles, purple herons, egrets, cormorants, and many other remarkable bird species. Mabamba Swamp is more than just a birdwatching destination. It is a thriving ecosystem that supports local communities through ecotourism, conservation, and sustainable livelihoods. Every visit helps create income for local boat guides, supports conservation efforts, and protects this unique wetland for future generations. Travel with purpose. When you explore Mabamba Swamp with Matala Safaris, you're not only experiencing one of Uganda's most extraordinary wildlife encounters, you're also making a positive impact on the people and places that make these experiences possible. Let your journey inspire conservation, empower local communities, and create memories that last a lifetime. Book your Mabamba Swamp adventure with Matala Safaris and discover the beauty of Uganda while traveling with purpose.